I was actually really young when this sort of a movement happened. I was 6 or 7 years old, and मेरे घर के पास एक छोटा सा pug था. His name was Duff, and he got stuck under a car, and there were dogs, street dogs around it, and they were barking at him. And I got really, really scared for that dog. कि यार उसको लग जाएगी, he'll get hurt. छोटा सा तो है. So I ran back home. I say I love animals. If a pig won't hurt me, I'd even pet a pig.
Hi, welcome to Mind Melders. आज का एपिसोड ना बहुत खास होने वाला है। क्यों? क्योंकि इस दुनिया में ना कोई लोग हैं जो दूसरों को समझते हैं पर उन्हें कोई नहीं समझ सकता, क्योंकि वो बोल नहीं सकते, उनकी फीलिंग्स होती हैं। लेकिन ऐसे ही दुनिया में कुछ लोग ऐसे होते हैं जो चुपचाप अपनी लाइफ उनके लिए डिवोट कर देते हैं, जो स्पॉटलाइट से, ग्लैमर से हट के एक करियर चूज करते हैं जिसमें कंपैशन होता है, प्यार होता है, काइंडनेस होती है। तो आज के गेस्ट हमारे ऐसे ही हैं। सो प्लीज वेलकम पर्ल।
Thank you so much.
सो हाय पर्ल। पर्ल, आप वेट कर रही हो, राइट? यू आर अ वेटरनरी स्टूडेंट। सो क्या सोच के आपने ये चूज किया ओवर ऑल द ग्लैमरस करियर?
मेरे लिए I've always had animals. I'm head over heels for animals, and it's when people say na कि I love animals, they usually mean dogs and cats. But when I say I love animals, if a pig won't hurt me, I'd even pet a pig. So I love animals overall, be it horses, cows. So I've always thought that I'd really love to be someone who could advocate for speechless animals. So really love that.
वाओ, सो थॉटफुल। ओके, जब आप पहली बार किसी को बताते हो कि आप ये कर रहे हो, राइट, नॉट MBBS, कुछ और ग्लैमरस स्टडीज नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं, आप वेटरनरी साइंस कर रहे हो, तो लोगों का रिएक्शन कैसा होता है?
Actually बहुत mixed reactions होते हैं. So I think 50% people who they get really excited कि oh wow, that's really great. So those are those people जो उनको animals बहुत पसंद होते हैं. But then some people are like oh that's great. मतलब बहुत flat line वो होते हैं. So I've had both. I've had very excited people also जो मेरे लिए बहुत excited होते हैं. On the other hand, I've also had people might think कि हाँ MBBS would have been a more glamorous choice.
So कोई लाइफ में ऐसा मोमेंट हुआ होगा when you realize कि I am choosing animals over everything, so animals are your life. ऐसा कोई मोमेंट?
I was actually really young when this sort of a movement happened. I was 6 or 7 years old, and मेरे घर के पास एक छोटा सा pug था. His name was Duff, and he got stuck under a car, and there were dogs, street dogs around it, and they were barking at him. And I got really, really scared for that dog. कि यार उसको लग जाएगी, he'll get hurt. छोटा सा तो है. So I ran back home. I called my dad and I said, "There's this dog." And फिर उसको सारे dogs को भगाया वहाँ से, उसको निकाला. And we took him back home. And that day I realized it feels so good and so human to protect an animal and to be their savior when no one is. Danger से
Great. So
निकालना.
there are very people who think like that. और आपने बचपन से ही ये सब कुछ देखा है.
हाँ.
Do you have pets?
Do I have a dog and a cat?
Lucky they.
Luckily.
Okay. So जब आपने चूज किया होगा कि ठीक है मुझे अब ये करना है, so उस टाइम थॉट प्रोसेस माइंड में कुछ और होगा, कुछ और इमेज होगी. Now when you are actually into it, वो कुछ इमेज सीन चेंज हुआ है?
नहीं, actually I am really grateful that the people around me जिन्होंने मेरे को inspire करा है to do vet, they've always shown me the reality. उन्होंने कभी they've never put icing on the cake. They've just shown me the raw picture. So I got my motivation from my dog's doctor, and he was like, "Beta, it is a really nice stream. It's really upcoming, but you will have to put yourself in dirt." So he gave me all the raw details and everything. And now when I go to college, it's really normal, really natural कि हाँ ठीक है, it just comes, it feels really natural. So मेरे को कोई ऐसा change नहीं लगता, and it's really nice.
Any myth that you have heard, और लोगों का एक mindset, एक perception होता है for this animal doctor?
Yeah. Many people say that MBBS is easier than veterinary.
Okay.
I would strongly disagree with that because MBBS is studying about humans, right? So human body सबकी same होती है. Whereas if you study veterinarian, so you have to study like 6-7 different species. हर किसी का body function different है, body structure different है. So it's really मतलब याद करना is really difficult, you know. And then like आपको समझना is very difficult. उन dogs को, horses, camels को सबको समझना is really really difficult. But when you go into MBBS, so a person can at least speak कि मेरे को ये problem है, and then you can diagnose easily. But with animals, you got to be really specific. So I feel it's काफी
So that's just a question. जैसे MBBS होता है, डॉक्टर्स होता है, ह्यूमन डॉक्टर, हार्ट का अलग होगा, ब्रेन का अलग होगा, स्टमक, हर पार्ट का, हर बॉडी ऑर्गन का एक अलग स्पेशलिस्ट होता है. बट फॉर एनिमल्स, सारे एनिमल्स का एक ही होता है या इसमें भी अलग अलग फील्ड्स या ऑर्गन्स के लिए अलग अलग होती हैं?
Actually, I would say that veterinarians are superheroes because वो overall सब पढ़ते हैं. Yes, specialization होती है. So there's surgery, there's gynecology. So उसमें काफी specialities होती हैं. But even if I do my bachelor's, I'd be set enough to treat them in all aspects.
So you're all prepared.
I'm all prepared.
Wow. ओके, कोई एनिमल के साथ ऐसा इंटरेक्शन जब आपको देख के बहुत लगा हो कि बहुत क्यूट मोमेंट है, आपको हंसी भी आ रही हो, कुछ इमोशंस भी हो?
Actually, there was this one moment where I realized I'm actually truly meant to be a vet. So I have this one street dog. She very randomly came to me one day. I was in 12th, मैं coaching से वापस आ रही थी, and she was there. She was hungry. She was really thin, and I had this packet of food, so I just gave it to her. तो 3 दिन मैंने उसको खाना खिलाया. And every day, the moment I used to open my door, वो ऐसे भाग के आती थी. Any quick and corner she used to be in, used to come running. So eventually, then there was this one night recently where I tried to give her treats. वो खा नहीं रही थी, and she was acting really alienated. बहुत अजीब सा act कर रही थी. So then I came back in. I didn't think much of it. I felt really, really scared कि अगर उसको कुछ हो गया and everything. So I felt really scared to lose her also. The stray dog ही था, but still she was really close to me. But the next day she was perfectly fine. It was really cute. Really
So cute.
Hello.
Okay. So career choose करना is the toughest decision to make. So लाइफ में पहले जब चूज कर रहे होगे बहुत सारे डाउट्स आए होंगे, बहुत एप्रीहेंशंस होंगी. कई लोग होते हैं जो नेगेटिविटी भी स्प्रेड करते हैं कि दिस इज नॉट अ राइट थिंग. कोई ऐसा पर्सन जिसने आपको मोटिवेट किया दैट यू कैन डू इट?
My mom.
Okay.
Every time. Matlab, even if I'm second guessing myself, she'll be like, no, Paul, you'll do it. You have it for the animals, no? तो हो जाएगा. In fact, my parents in पूरा thing, they've really been very supportive. हर चीज में and now also when I tell them कि अच्छा जा रहा है, not me आज ये करा, they get really happy कि हाँ, I'm excelling where I am. But they've always supported me, my friends, anyone I've told as of now, they've been really supportive.
Wow. Okay. So किसी एनिमल से डर लगता है?
Actually हाँ, horse.
Okay.
मतलब डर नहीं लगता. I really love horses. But it's that कि एक horse या एक cow का जो सारा treatment होता है ना, it's mostly from the backside of the animal. So I feel really scared कि what if they kick? So उसकी भी techniques I've already learned. Otherwise I'm scared of reptiles.
Reptiles. आगे जाके treat करना होगा तो?
करना होगा तो करेंगे. I'll have to. But it's just that कि that will also be a choice when I go ahead in life. Okay. Because that is a specialization. So it comes under exotic animals.
Okay.
So yeah.
So India में अभी ये reptiles pet का culture इतना common नहीं है.
Common नहीं है, thankfully. But I'm hoping that I would settle out and I'll be looking after wildlife. That is what I've been aiming for.
Wow. So your dream, your visions, everything, your goal is clear to you कि आपने क्या करना है.
I have my vision goal.
So अगर आपको लगता है कि animals अगर बोल पाते, आप इतना ज़्यादा animals को प्यार करते हो, अगर वो बोल पाते तो उनका क्या मैसेज होता है आपके लिए?
I think मेरे को पता नहीं. Whenever I look into an animal's eyes, no, I really feel that thing कि they know I'm there for them. So that's what they'll say कि we know you're here. We know you'll do it. You'll take care of us. And I've always had this vision, especially कि stray dogs and कोई भी rescued animal होगा ना, I just treat them for free because I want them to be fine. So I know that they'll know even if they can't speak, or if they can, they'll know that I'll be there for them.
Very thoughtful and kind. Okay. So आपकी पूरी family में everybody is animal lover?
Yeah, and even if they weren't, eventually they became with my dog. So, but yeah, no, like they're okay with animals.
Okay.
They don't love. Now that we have our dog Duke, they love him. Absolutely love him.
वाओ, सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर टाइम। सो आज
Anytime.
का एपिसोड देखकर ना हमें ये तो समझ में आ गया कि जो वेट है, एनिमल डॉक्टर्स, ये जितना इजी साउंड करता है उतना है नहीं। आई मीन इसमें भी सब कुछ है, सारे एनिमल्स की स्टडी है, एवरी एनिमल हैज गॉट डिफरेंट एनाटॉमी, लेकिन ये लोग सब कुछ पढ़ते हैं। इट्स नॉट इजी, राइट? सो बहुत सारे स्पॉटलाइट्स, मतलब सक्सेस जो है वो सिर्फ स्पॉटलाइट से नहीं मिलती है, वो काइंडनेस से मिलती है, कंपैशन से मिलती है, और आज की गेस्ट ने ये प्रूव कर दिया है। सो आई होप आपको ये एपिसोड अच्छा लगा होगा। इट्स लाइक अ वॉइस ऑफ वॉइसलेस, दैट whatever she is doing, she is advocating for animals, so very great job. So please like करिए, सब्सक्राइब करिए एंड शेयर दिस चैनल। थैंक यू।